Welcome to this video from the Model Bus Collector. I thought this time I would share some of my Code 3 Trentbarton vehicles with you. I'd like to claim that I'd painted these, but they were actually painted by ATD models, which I'm sure if you looked on the internet you could get in contact with. I have to say that the work done by ATD models is absolutely fantastic. Excellent work. Thank you for what you've done. I'm just going to share some of the models with you, particularly some of my favourites, which I particularly enjoy the livery. Okay, the first one, is actually this Pronto bus. Now, this service actually isn't run by Trentbarton now. It's actually gone to Stagecoach East Midlands, where they are running their Enviro 400 MMCs on the service. But what I particularly like is the two-tone livery on it. I think it really goes well together. The next one I particularly like is this one that's branded up for the Calverton connection service that runs from Nottingham to Calverton. These have actually been replaced by the ex-Indigo Volvos, and with another 55 200 MMCs on order, I'm sure that these again will be replaced imminently. Now the last one on this row is actually this one, the Keyworth connection, which is again just a Volvo. Now, to my awareness, these are the only non-Enviro buses, 200 based in Nottingham, so I'm sure when the next batch of new buses come that these will be replaced as well. What I particularly like about this is the colour and its authenticity to the real bus that's actually out there on service. Just to share one or two others with you, another favourite of mine is the Ilkeston Flyer that runs between Derby and Ilkeston, which is a limited stop service. What I particularly like about this one is how ATD has got all the locations across the top, and also that he's got all the branding correct and the colours. Just coming along here, we see a Comet. This was actually runs between Derby and Chesterfield before the Red Arrow used to run through from Nottingham to Derby to Chesterfield. This took up the second part of it. Again, looking at the livery, it's got Derby, Ripley, Alfreton, Claycross, Chesterfield. It is fantastic, particularly like the colours on this one as well. And there were two more just to finish with, is the Cotgrave. Now this one actually has now been replaced with the Enviro 200 MMCs. Same livery, but still a super bus to look at. And finally, this one I'm going to share with you today is from the Sixers, which is a Scania, which run out of Belper Depot. And if you look along the top again, you can see where it runs between Derby and Belper. A beautiful livery. Really got it right. So special shout out to ATD Models today, and thank you for viewing this video.